The markets are dumping heavily, and then we have a token, the privacy coin ZEC or Zcash, that has dumped a lot, over 20% in the last 24 hours, all because the dev team resigned. Yes, the dev team has resigned because of one single reason, that is a dispute within the team regarding the governance of the token, and that is when the token crashed. Of course, I was the one who was able to take profit because I predicted this move around 2 days back by analyzing the chart. So in this video, I will talk about ZSC token once again because I strongly believe a next wave of bears are coming into being and this token can actually go down more. And now is the best time to cash on this opportunity even more by entering at the right price point. So with that, let's jump right in. Let's talk about ZSC and see where we can enter, where the value is, and how much profit can be derived by shorting ZSC once again. Now, before I begin and of course take you to the details, please do remember to press subscribe button, also press the bell icon if you haven't done already. And also, I have a trading memberships. You can click on link above to know about them, of course, and start learning trading with me by joining my masterclass. So let's talk about it. So we have Zcash here. So we go to the higher time frame first. So you can see first of all the price is $411. It has down now 14%, but it was at around 20% down. You can see supply is 21 million token, which is equivalent to that of a Bitcoin. This is a privacy token that pumped back in October 2025 from nothing, from $70 to $80 to nearly $700 within a matter of 3 months or 2 months. So that is a massive pump, and now it is kind of crashing because of the recent news of Dev resigning, and of course the overall market is also kind of bearish at the moment. So this was a trade that I took 2 days back by shorting it at around here, which is at around the level of $530, and I booked profit at around $400. But now I'm observing it on a higher time frame by looking at the chart and looking at the possibility of a possible short, which I think can be possible in the current market scenario. So we look at the weekly chart, which is right over here. As you can see here, the weekly chart looks very, very bearish right now in front of me, but in the long term it is kind of bullish. So we go up here, then down. This is a bullish wedge pattern, and when that happens the token will test the edges, which is right over here. So I believe the next low for this token should be at around $300. Then we move back up, of course, then we'll hit again $400, and if everything goes as per plan, it's going to go down as to as 220 or $250, then a leg up. That is a kind of bullish signal that I can see right now in front of me. But let's go down and look at the lower time frame to mark the entry points. So if you go at the lower time frame, especially on the daily chart, you will see here a very good kind of pattern, especially on the 4 hour chart. So this 4 hour chart give you a good entry zone, and that is, if I remove this part, it is now about to test this key resistance line, which is at around this one, around $450. And you can see in the previous historical pattern also, it has actually touch upon these touch points, which is around the same line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and nearly 8 and more. So clearly this is a key line that you should target if you want to short this token. So I believe I will go short on this once it hit this particular zone, which is at around 445 and $450. And once it hits, so I believe what we are doing is we are going again back down. So it will go up here, which is kind of right over here, touching it, then going down again, testing this fib retracement, and then we go down to directly to $300. That will be my long-term target. So this is a trade that I'm planning. Since this is a trading channel, so you will learn about trading, of course, shorting and longing the token. So my take here is look at the lower time frame and the higher time frame and see where we're heading. So right now, even on the higher time frame, there's a big room for it to go down. Like I said before, as you can see here, it can actually go up and between this zone. So $300 kind of possibility for me. So it makes sense to short the token, not immediately, but waiting for it to pull back. And for pullback, we need to look at the lower time frame. Like I said, 4 hour 1 hour chart. 4 hour chart looks quite good to me. Even 1 hour chart will convey the same message once it touch upon this area, which is like this one. $450. Let's say $450. We will mark a short entry, a sale entry here, $450 with the highs this, and we can go to $300 below. So this can be kind of entry zone that I'm targeting in my mind, and this will have a reward risk ratio of at around 7:1, which is kind of right over here. So this is a kind of possibility that I'm taking into account. And you can see here the token is already starting retracing back up. And if you go to the minutes chart, you can see the fib retracement, which is also kind of signaling the same kind of scenario in which it will go up to this pivot lines before falling down. So I think everything is falling in line. Let's see how it goes. If it missed the target, I'm not going to take the short position. I will better look for other better tokens. So I'm going to respect my entry point, and that's how I'm going to go about it. So this is about the ZDC token, the trade that I'm planning to go next after booking profit recently in the recent crash. Now, if you are someone who's new to trading, I strongly suggest watching the videos of trading masterclass that I've shared in the end screen. And do remember to subscribe, press the bell icon. Make sure to join my free Telegram community, which is free of cost. You can join it up, learn about trading, and let's move ahead. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content, and make some money trading cryptos. Thank you.